Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about align items. Let's move into CSS. We have the same styles that we had in our previous lecture. Now what align items does is the opposite of justify items. Keep in mind that in grid we don't have any main axis, cross axis, nothing. That is specific to Flexbox because it is two-dimensional. You don't need any of that hassle. And now this property is going to align grid items vertically or along the column or block axis within their respective grid cells, within their respective grid track as a whole. So we have align items. Stretch is going to be the default one. So default is actually stretch. When we save it, nothing is going to happen. What it means is it is going to fill the whole height of the cell. We also have the same values as with justify items. So we have center, which is going to center all the items vertically. Keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the grid. Let's activate the grid so we can see our changes way better now. So this is one grid cell, grid item number 12. Within one grid cell aligned in the center vertically. We could also have align items start to the start of the grid cell, which vertically is going to be the top, and we also have towards the end of the grid cell, align items end, which is going to be vertically the end of the grid cell. With this, our lecture comes to an end. See you in the next one.